What's good, everybody? Welcome to the channel. My name is Stolen Shade, and today we're going to be talking about the Garagebulls Plastic Restorer. So when you order the package, I actually ordered two. So I got two of these little vials, two of these little sponge things. This little sponge thing is very small, so just heads up on that. So I used to use this Meguiar's Ultimate Black, and honestly, it would come out the same, but it was the same deal where after a little while, you would have to clean it and put this back on. I was hoping that this Garagebulls stuff, which they were making it seem like, oh, you put this on, you don't have to do it for, a month, 2 months, longer. No, that's not the case. It's like, it's not even 2 weeks. So just a heads up on that. They got me with the Facebook ad, and I was like, you know what? I'll try it, see how it goes. I mean, it looks good, but it's not worth having to put it on so many times. Like, I don't want to have to do a full detail every time I wash the car, you know what I'm saying? But I mean, the car does look great, so I'm happy about that. But the plastic trim is kind of where it falls short sometimes, so that's why I wanted to hit that specifically with a new product, and it just didn't live up to the hype that they made it seem.